Hello, hi. I am Tejas Cheda from Hardiko Properties.
And I'm Pankhil Cheda. We are two brothers and we have our own family business. Our father had started this business around 35 years back, and around 35 projects have been completed till date in and around Mumbai, western suburbs especially, from Daisar to Andheri. And we have entered this in around 2012, so 10 years of experience for both of us. So as young generation, the second generation of this company, we are trying to inculcate the latest trends which are available in the market, and security is one of them. So we got associated with Shri Apurvaji from Vallabh Enterprises, and since 2011 we have been using the products which he has been suggesting us, and Dnake is one of the company which he has recommended. And in our recent one of the projects, Andheri, Arihant Enclave, we had a very good experience of installation and a good 3-tier security system which was installed in the premises. Good customer feedback.
Completely seamless.
Yes, completely seamless, very cost effective and practical to use. So Tejas bhai can explain more.
Nothing, it's more of a face reader thing. You don't even have to. So when we did this project, I was very skeptical how it will be executed. I told him आप हर एक कस्टमर के पास जाएंगे, उनका फेस का उनका फोटो लेंगे. It will not be so practical and people will not be willing to use the system. But आज जब प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है हमारा वहाँ पर, I find every single member of the society very happy with the face detection security system, and every one of them is using it very nicely and very easily. There was never a problem. In fact, even the facial recognition system of Dnake, it was so efficient कि हमने customers से उनके सीधा we straight away asked for their photos on WhatsApp, and everything was integrated without even meeting the customer personally.
The other benefit is कि उनको कुछ भी अपग्रेड करने हैं, उनके घरों में डिजिटल सिस्टम्स लगाने हैं, डिजिटल लॉक्स लगाने हैं, तो वो भी इंटीग्रेट हो जाता है डीनेक के साथ. एंड दे हैव देयर ओन एंड्रॉयड एंड ऐप वर्जन्स, so that it's easy to use and operate. So that is another big advantage of using Dnake. So we are very happy of and satisfied that we chose Dnake, and it has given such good customer satisfaction to our clients.
Also Apurvaji ka service is always impeccable.
So he always
that's one more, that's a plus point always.
He creates an online ticket request and we get intimation prior कि आज मेरा जो technician है will arrive at this time and your work will get completed in such period of time, which is like a really professional service which very few vendors in this industry are able to provide. So that is highly commendable about Apurvaji.
Yes. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.